Good evening, and welcome to Bedtime Stories with Lana.
I'm Lana, and I'm so glad you're here tonight. Welcome to Bedtime Sleep Stories, where gentle tales wrap you in peace. After a long day, when the world feels heavy, let these moments lift your spirit. Tonight, we drift into a meditation from Kahlil Gibran The Prophet, Part 1, a weave of wisdom and calm, crafted for grown-ups seeking rest. The rain begins to fall, soft and steady, washing away your worries. These timeless words will guide you to a quiet place. Breathe deeply now. Let the tension slip. Feel your mind soften and allow the night to unfold gently like a friend. Tonight, we leave behind the rush, the endless hum of daily life, the chatter of thoughts that fill your mind, and step into a space of stillness, a sanctuary just for you. These words from Kahlil Gibran's The Prophet are like lanterns glowing in the dusk, lighting your way to peace. After a long day, when your shoulders carry the weight of hours spent, when your mind spins with what was, what might be, let these words cradle you. The rain falls now, a soothing rhythm, blending with your breath like a lullaby from the earth. Listen closely. Feel it wrap around you, soft, steady, and drift as we begin this gentle journey. Let the world fade, its noise, its pull, its demands, and come with me into the calm, where rest awaits, where the night holds you close. Breathe in, slow and deep. Let the rain settle around you like a soft curtain closing out the day, shutting away the chaos. Al-Mustafa, the wise one, stood before the people of Orphalese, his voice a whisper on the wind, a melody of truth. Love has no other desire but to fulfill itself. He said, the rain taps lightly, inviting you to pause, to listen, to let these words sink into your heart like water into soil. But if you love and must needs have desires, he continued, let these be your desires. Picture it now, a quiet evening, after juggling work and home, with those you cherish through the years, to melt and be like a running brook, Al-Mustafa said, that sings its melody to the night. Imagine that brook winding through the dark, its waters sparkling under starlight, its song a lasting joy, soothing. The rain echoes it, a gentle hum, blending with your breath, calling you to peace. To wake at dawn with a winged heart, he went on, and give thanks for another day of loving. Feel that now, a spark of gratitude for the ones who fill your life, for love's quiet strength. After a long day, let it rise, warm and steady, like a hearth glowing through time. To rest at the noon hour, he said, and meditate love's ecstasy. The rain falls, a steady pulse, washing over you, cleansing the weariness. To return home at eventide with gratitude, Al-Mustafa urged, and then to sleep with a prayer for the beloved in your heart. Let these words wrap you like a warm blanket on a cold night, like arms that hold you safe. Love, not a burden, but a gift. A steady joy. Breathe out, feel the day's strain slip away. The rain carries it like petals on a stream, drifting into the distance, leaving only peace. A treasure for your soul tonight. Rest here. Let love cradle you. As the night deepens, as the rain sings its lullaby, calling you gently to sleep. Take a slow breath. Feel the rain on your skin as if it's washing the edges of your day, softening the sharpness, easing the tension. Al-Mustafa turned to the crowd, his eyes deep with knowing, like pools reflecting a vast sky. Your pain is the breaking of the shell that encloses your understanding, he said. The rain falls steady, a rhythm to lean into, a gentle guide through the quiet. Even as the stone of the fruit must break, he continued, that its heart may stand in the sun, so must you know pain. Think of your own moments, the weight of worry pressing down like a stone, the sting of a hard day, the quiet ache of loss that lingers. They're not just burdens. They shape you, open you, like a seed splitting to grow. The rain softens them, like a friend's touch, light, tender. And could you keep your heart in wonder, Al-Mustafa asked, at the daily miracles of your life? Your pain would not seem less wondrous than your joy. A quiet evening at home, a kind word from a stranger, a breath of fresh air, small wonders amid the storm. Let them rise now, gentle as the rain falls, filling your mind with calm, lifting the heaviness. Accept the seasons of your heart, he advised, as you have accepted the seasons that pass over your fields. Pain comes like clouds rolling in, heavy and gray, then drifts away like mist in the morning light. Breathe with it. Let the rain guide you. After a long day, let it go. Feel the calm settle, deep, steady, wrapping you in peace. Tonight, as the night grows still, as the rain hums its song, pause here. Let your breath deepen. The rain a gentle companion, falling soft, steady, like a friend beside you. And what is it but fragments of your own self you would discard? Al-Mustafa mused. To become free, freedom not just out there in the world beyond, but here within you, deep in your chest, a quiet space. The rain whispers, loosening what binds, easing what holds. After a day of demands, schedules pressing like walls, voices calling your name, tasks piling high, feel them fade. If it is an unjust law you would abolish, he said, that law was written with your own hand upon your own forehead. The rain falls, soft, forgiving. Those chains you carry, the ones you've built, they're yours to release, yours to let go. Stand fast, Al-Mustafa urged, and call the world good. Freedom is a choice, a breath, a letting go. After a long day, let go of what pulls you down. Picture it now, drifting away with the rain, like smoke in the wind, like leaves on the water. Feel your shoulders lighten, your mind ease. The night opens, free, calm, a quiet space just for you to rest, to be. Breathe slowly now. Let the rain ease your shoulders, where the day's weight sits, heavy, tight like a knot. Work is love made visible. Al-Mustafa taught, his voice steady, sure, like a craftsman at his trade, shaping something true. And if you cannot work with love, but only with distaste, he said, it is better that you should leave your work and sit at the gate of the temple and take alms of those who work with joy. The rain hums, a soothing backdrop. Think of your days, the tasks that fill them, the hours given, the effort poured out to weave the cloth with threads drawn from your heart, he continued, even as if your beloved were to wear that cloth. What if work, even the hardest parts, built a legacy, a spark of pride? The rain softens it, like a warm hearth glowing, smoothing the edges. To sow seeds with tenderness, Al-Mustafa said, and reap the harvest with joy, even as if your beloved were to eat that bread. After a long day, let this sink in. Your hands, your time, they craft something real, something lasting. Release the strain now, let it flow away. With the rain, rest here. In this gentle truth, work a quiet pride for your night to hold, to cherish. Let your breath flow, easy, calm. The rain, a steady pulse, like a heartbeat, soft, constant. Your joy is your sorrow unmasked, Al-Mustafa said, and the selfsame well from which your laughter rises was oftentimes filled with your tears. The rain falls blending both like a soft dance, a rhythm of life moving through you. The deeper that sorrow carves into your being, he went on, the more joy you can contain. Life's highs and lows, a good day's warmth, a hard day's ache, they're one, woven together, inseparable, like threads in a tapestry. Feel them now, softening as the rain wraps you. After a long day, let them rest, side by side in quiet harmony. Is not the cup that holds your wine, Al-Mustafa asked, the very cup that was burned in the potter's oven? Joy and sorrow shaped by the same fire, the same hands. Breathe in, let the rain balance them. Peace rises, gentle, steady, carrying you deeper into the night where both can sleep, where all is calm. Breathe in the night. Let the rain guide you, slow, deep, like waves on a shore, lapping gently. Yesterday is but today's memory, Al-Mustafa reflected, and tomorrow is today's dream. Time moves, yet holds you here, in this quiet moment, this single breath, this space of stillness. The rain whispers, timeless, soft, like a song without end. And that which sings and contemplates in you, he said, is still dwelling within the bounds of that first moment which scattered the stars into space. After a day of rushing, planning, worrying, let it all pause. Yesterday's echoes, tomorrow's weight, they fade into this calm. The rain carries them away like dust on the wind, like shadows in light. Let your soul exalt your reason, Al-Mustafa urged, to the height of passion, that it may sing. Be here now, with the rain. After a long day, time slows, peace settles like a blanket, warm, soft, wrapping you gently into sleep's embrace, where all is still, where the night holds you. Let the rain fall, a tender curtain, one final whisper, soft, fleeting, like a sigh. A little while, and my longing shall gather dust and foam, Al-Mustafa said, for another body. His voice lingered, soft as the tide, pulling away into the distance. The rain hums a quiet goodbye, a gentle farewell, wrapping you in its sound. In a little while, he murmured, you shall see me no more. And then again, a little while, and you shall see me. Farewell. Not an end, but a pause, a breath between. After a day's wait, let your worries drift, finding calm amidst the storm of midlife. Picture them drifting off into the calm, like stars fading into dawn. Fare you well, Al-Mustafa said, and the youth I have spent with you. The rain carries his words, soft, fading into the night. Release the day, let it go. Feel the peace rise, steady, warm. Sleep calls now, and the rain answers, guiding you into the night's gentle arms, where rest awaits, where calm holds you. Let the stillness deepen as the rain falls softer, slower, like a mother's lullaby. Let your breath slow, your thoughts quiet, your heart rest. The day is gone, the night is here, and peace is yours. And so, tonight's meditation fades. I hope these words from the Prophet have brought you peace, a balm for the soul after a long day. If you're still awake, craving more calm, find me at Bedtime Stories with Lana, where gentle tales nurture your dreams. Thank you for sharing this quiet time with me. Now, let the rain ease you deeper. Feel the weight lift, close your eyes, and let sweet dreams carry you through the night until morning light. I'm Lana, your friend in the stillness, and I'll be here waiting with the next story to cradle you again. Sleep well tonight.